And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some phones I bought off of eBay. Trying to find my knife. I have like 4 unboxings coming to the channel, so let me know if you guys still like the unboxings or if I should just do the phone reviews. Let me know in the comments. Let's see. Alrighty, so first up we have this Nokia with T-Mobile. Let's see if we can get a model number off of it. It's very sticky. I'm not sure how the back comes off of this one. Anyways, anybody can tell me. There it is. I'll have to look at it. We got a LG something. It kind of looks like the V20, but it doesn't have the secondary screen. Doesn't look like the back. Oh, yeah, it is. Doesn't have a battery. Looks like the water indicator is red. Definitely some corrosion up on that micro SD card. So it definitely has got some water damage. Already is cracked, so can't really do a drop test on it. We'll see what we do with that one. Here's a back for the Samsung Elias. I already have like 3 of these, but now we got another one. This one actually has a back, so that's pretty cool. Boom. That. That was the people I bought it from. I don't know if they actually specialize in phones. I just seen they had it posted, so I went ahead and just bought it just because. Let's see, this one. It's not cracked. Had a screen protector on there, and the glue's still on there. Has a battery. Looks like it's a CDMA phone. I don't see a SIM card slot. I'm guessing it's probably going to be a track phone device. No power on it. We have this Verizon Pantech PN215. It's really sticky on the top, as you can see the headphone piece. It is dead. And last but not least, we have a Envy, an orange one. So we have a silver one and an orange one now. Also ordered another one. It's silver, but it's with Page Plus. I wonder if this one even works. We'll have to check it out. But there's that. And they also gave us a battery, an inflated battery for the Samsung. So not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.